last of their kind.
How old's this one? At least a week. These? The things he died with.
Your senior advocate keeps supporting these so-called classy girls when they are actually thieves.
Oh, babe, you can't say that to me. You can't say that to the woman, the love of your life.
That fire you and that love you're talking about. May thunder begin to destroy, scatter, set confusion in your altar right now. Who is your love? Are you insane? It's your audacity for me. You have the temerity to step your feet in my compound because I didn't arrest you the last time. It's all right.
And you share this night.
Oh, no, my
The new boy. Boy, you supposed to be. Yeah, what?